This video sponsored by Value Testers. Great promo offer on Testo, Fieldpiece, and Bacharach. Free 2-day shipping on purchase of $200 or more on selected seasonal testing equipment. Link in description below. This video sponsored by Interplay Learning. Simulation-based step-by-step service testing procedures. Beginning to advanced courses available. A fun and entertaining way to advance your skills. Limited time discount. Link and promo code in description below. It is April 19th, 2019. Anyway, I gotta go turn on a summer home. Got an outside shower and it's got a little summer cottage type of thing. It's gonna liven it back up for the people. I do this one every year. It's an annual type of thing. Right down on the water. So we're on our way over there now. Miss Molly's got the window open. She's enjoying the weather. It's probably about 60 degrees here today. Not crazy warm, but should be warm enough to turn the houses back on. Windy here today. Outside shower here. I got some Teflon. I'll put some Teflon on these two before I tighten them up. Monster. This one's got a drain on it, which is a better setup. There is some bleeders under this house, but I don't really need to put them. I don't think I opened up the bleeders. I just blew it out with air last time I was here, last fall. Let's make sure that there's no issues. We left all the breakers off. I just want to make sure. Yeah, see, leave water heat off. And all the heat, electric heat's been left off also. As you'll cook it. There's no water in the tank. You'll cook it. You gotta put water in the tank before you turn the power on. Shut this drain off. We'll shut everything off in here and we'll go in the house and turn the water on in the crawl space. Probably gonna have to come back and give this a good hosing down too. What I like about this red unit, it's got some good size openings. I should be able to hose this stuff right out of there. Get a hose and just blow all that smag out of there. It's a new unit. It'll come right off. No, that's not good. Shit show. What a flippin' shit show. Shit show, mama. This is really awful windy here. Wow. Real windy. This is on the main house. Rest in peace, brother. Rest in peace. Got a little crawl space down here. I gotta crawl in here and turn the water on. There's a valve right here that I usually put air in and blow it. It goes down into the ground to the cottage. I put that off and I gotta turn on a valve over here. Comes in 1/2 inch into 1 inch. That feeds the cottage. And that runs over, down to the ground, into the cottage. We got another dead mouse here. I don't hear any water running, so that's a good sign. Gotta get all the air out of the water tank. Right? We'll just get all the air out of the water tank, we can turn it on. The toilet one. That's the cold. Gotta get fill the electric water heater up with water before you turn the power on. You burn the element right out. It looks blocked. That's a cola aerator. See how small it is? It's a cola. They make 2 size aerators. They make a small one, which I call it a cola, which is a smaller version. Then they make a bigger one. Some of the ones that come in the cola, even though this is a Delta faucet, them small aerators come in the cola faucets. So I call it a cola aerator. My favorite stuff, cola. My favorite stuff, you know that. Cola's my favorite. Smells dirty too. Don't take much. A little bit of schmag in there. That's all it takes. And block it up and stop your flow. People get all bumhurt about me using pliers on the aerators. I don't know what your problem is. You being bumhurt really don't matter to me. What do I care? This is a tub shower valve, it looks like. Volume control, they got the wrong valve in here, that's fine. I'm just gonna check that outside. This looks good. Another one of my favorite brands, Cola. This is back when the Cola was a decent toilet. It was bolted down with 3 bolts. They weren't bad. Back when Cola was a halfway decent brand. Alright, got the cover back on. Now the tank's full of water. We can turn it on. Turn on all the electric heat. I'll leave that for the fall. Everything else is on. You can hear it heating. Windy. She's windy today. Now these lines run all the way under here, so if they were leaking I'd see it dripping. They're not dripping, so we're good here. She's a leaker. I'm gonna have to put a cap on that, looks like. Next year when I winterize this, I'll change this valve next year. Next fall. Either just put a plug in it, one of the two. take this out and clean out inside there. There was like a, you know, little screen and it was all blocked. This gets all full of rust. She's ready to go. I'm also gonna complain about the sink. He said it's dripping underneath. Looks like he put a bucket there, so. It's dripping, look below. We're gonna fix that. Seems tight. That's not the issue. Oh, look at that little piece of, see that piece of rubber in there? That might be what the problem is. Oh, she's still leaking. I got another one out of the truck. Sometimes it's the hose. Sometimes you can add another washer in here. This one's got another washer. We'll try that. If not, we'll change the whole thing out. How's that sound? I'll put another washer in there. We'll try it. Double washer. If that don't work, we'll change it. When in doubt, change it out. All right. So it was. No more leaks. No more leaks. Simple fix. And that's why you save the old parts. You know, I probably got another washer in the truck for this. Put it on this one if I need it. Did you miss me? Oh, I can tell. Look at the tail go. You missed me. Did you? Huh? You got sleepies there. You got sleepies. Let me get them out. You missed Daddy? Huh? Did you miss Daddy? Yeah, I know you did. Push over. Huh? Looking very stylish today. You're looking very stylish today, Miss Molly. Hmm?